ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ नवमोऽध्यायः। राजविद्या योगः। मया ततमिदं सर्वं जगदव्यक्तमूर्तिना मत्स्थानि सर्वभूतानि न चाहं तेष्वस्थितः। न च मत्स्थानि भूतानि पश्य मे योगमैश्वरम्। भूतभृन्न च भूतस्थो ममात्मा भूतभावनः। यथाकाशस्थितो नित्यम् वायुः सर्वत्र गोमहान् तथा सर्वाणि भूतानि मत्स्थानीत्युपधारया। यथाकाशस्थितो नित्यम् वायुः सर्वत्र गोमहान् तथा सर्वाणि भूतानि मत्स्थानीत्युपधारया। यथा, just as, Akasha sthitah resides in space, Nityam always, Vayuhu wind, Sarvatra gah moving everywhere, Mahan mighty, Tatha similarly, Sarvani all, Bhutani beings or manifestations, Matsthani residing in me, Iti that, Upadharaya you understand. The wind, despite constantly blowing, rests in the unchanging Akasha, so also the waves are not independent of the ocean. Similarly, living beings are inseparable from God, even though they continuously change and assume different forms during their many lifetimes on the earth. Despite their ever-changing selves, they always exist in God. Just as the mighty wind, despite moving everywhere, always resides in space, similarly, understand that all beings reside in me. सर्वभूतानि कौन्तेय प्रकृतिं यान्ति मामिकाम् कल्पक्षये पुनस्तानि कल्पादौ विसृजाम्यहम्। सर्वभूतानि कौन्तेय प्रकृतिं यान्ति मामिकाम्। कल्पक्षये पुनस्तानि कल्पादौ विसृजाम्यहम्। Sarva, all, Bhutani, beings or manifestations, Kaunteya, O Arjuna, the son of Kunti, Prakritim, primordial cosmic energy, Yanti, go or merge into, Mamikam, my, Kalpakshaye, at the end of the Kalpa, Punaha, again, Tani, them, Kalpa Adau, at the beginning of the Kalpa, Visrijami, discharge or manifest, Aham, I. Prakritim swamavashtabhya Visrjami punah punah Bhutagramamimam kritsnam Avasham prakritervashat Prakritim swamavashtabhya Visrjami punah punah Bhutagramamimam kritsnam Avasham prakritervashat. Prakritim, primordial cosmic energy, Swam, my own, Avashtabhya, harnessing, Visrijami, I generate, Punaha, Punaha, again and again, Bhutagramam, set of beings, Imam, this, Kritsnam, entire, Avasham, helpless, Prakritehe, of Prakriti, Vashat, under control. At the end of a kalpa, the entire creation dissolves into the unmanifest state of God, only to manifest again at the beginning of the next kalpa. This act of animating the Prakriti happens as an ongoing activity in all spheres of existence. O son of Kunti, at the end of a cycle, all beings merge into my primordial cosmic energy. I manifest them again at the beginning of the next kalpa. Harnessing my own Prakriti, I generate again and again this entire set of beings who are helpless under the control of Prakriti. यथाकाशस्थितो नित्यं वायुः सर्वत्र गोमहान् तथा सर्वाणि भूतानि मत्स्थानीत्युपधारया यथाकाशस्थितो नित्यं वायुः सर्वत्र गोमहान् तथा सर्वाणि भूतानि मत्स्थानीत्युपधारया। सर्वभूतानि कौन्तेय प्रकृतिं यान्ति मामिकाम् कल्पक्षये पुनस्तानि कल्पादौ विसृजाम्यहम्। सर्वभूतानि कौन्तेय प्रकृतिं यान्ति मामिकाम् कल्पक्षये पुनस्तानि कल्पादौ विसृजाम्यहम्। प्रकृतिं स्वामवष्टभ्य विसृजामि पुनः पुनः भूतग्राममिमं कृत्स्नम् अवशं प्रकृतेर्वशात्। प्रकृतिं स्वामवष्टभ्य विसृजामि पुनः पुनः भूतग्राममिमं कृत्स्नम् अवशं प्रकृतेर्वशात्।